Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can activate the pairing mode on your HP speaker. Okay, so first of all you have to just be sure that your device is turned off. How to check it? When you click on these buttons and this indicator is turned off, when there is no any interaction between the buttons and the LED indicator, it means that the device is turned off. Next, you have to click and hold this button until this indicator starts blinking on the white. And there it is. Right now we can release the button. And when you go for the Bluetooth list on your any device, you will find the HP speaker right here. So right now we can select from the list and connect to your device. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.